Hello, in front of me I've got Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Right here we've got the right earbud and right here we've got the left earbud. To increase and decrease the volume, press and hold on functional button. To activate and deactivate ANC, tap 3 times on left earbud. To activate and deactivate transparency mode, tap once on left earbud. To activate voice assistant, tap 3 times on right earbud. To play and pause, tap once on right earbud. To select previous track, tap twice on left earbud. To select next track, tap 2 times on right earbud. To make phone calls, simply tap on any earbud once. To end phone calls, again tap once. To reject a call, tap twice on any earbud. Also, you can tap twice to skip to the next track. And that's basically it for earbuds gesture. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.